The 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe lineup develops in all the correct courses for 2018. The 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe helps us to remember the great old days of SUVs, like 1996, from various perspectives. In numerous different ways, it's a future-confronting SUV that spruces up well. The Chevy Tahoe doesn't feel like the relic that its spec sheet says it is while having more pulling and four-wheeling capacity than generally hybrids. We've appraised it 6.6 out of 10 in general. This year, the broadness and profundity of its lineup develops. At the base end, there's another base trim level that erases the generally standard third column of seats. Additionally new to the lineup is the RST Package, which matches a attractive suspension to an accessible upsized 6.2-liter V8 and can be fitted with weighty 16.1-inch Brembo brakes. Whatever is left of the lineup continues for the most part unaltered in LS, LT, and Premier trim levels. In the event that the Tahoe's looks aren't for you, the 2018 GMC Yukon is basically a similar vehicle with its own styling and a discretionary upmarket Denali trim level. Furthermore, the Chevrolet Suburban and GMC Yukon XL take the fundamental Tahoe, Yukon bundle and extend it by around 10 crawls for more traveler and freight room. Cadillac's Escalade is likewise a nearby cousin, but one with bunches of wood trim, delicate calfskin, and extra stable stifling. Except for the new Tahoe RST, all other Tahoe variations come standard with a 5.3-liter V8 mated to a 6-speed programmed transmission. With 355 pull, the 5.3-liter is sufficiently solid. However, we're anxious to experiment with the 2018 Tahoe RST with its discretionary 420 horsepower.